In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can play Hamster Kombat. Now, this is going to be a guide for beginners, so I'm going to be showing you the full step-by-step process in how you can start playing Hamster Kombat today. Now, the first thing you need to be aware of is that Hamster Kombat isn't actually an app, and that's because Hamster Kombat is built on top of Telegram. So in order to access Hamster Kombat and start earning coins, we must first download Telegram if we haven't already. So once you've actually downloaded it, you can open it up and you can just create an account for free. From there, once you've actually created your Telegram account, you're one step closer to being able to play Hamster Kombat. So next up, we need to access this page that I'm on right now. And in order to get to this page, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below. And you can click on that link to get redirected to Telegram and then redirected to this page I'm on right now. From there, you can click start at the bottom of the screen. We can then scroll down and we can click this play in one click button. From there, it starts loading, and as you can see, Hamster Kombat is now open. And we can start tapping it and earning coins. We can then start tapping to earn coins, and we can do everything else that we need to do to earn our daily amount of coins. So this has been my video showing you how to play Hamster Kombat. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.